So here's an example of some ones we want to do. So if I'm going to go from 3 meters, so I'm going to go from here to here. So I need to do these two steps. I need to multiply by 100, then multiply by 10. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do each step individually. You can join them together, but for the moment, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go 3 meters by 100. That's going to give me 300 centimeters, because that's the one I'm going to do there, centimeters. Then I'm going to multiply 300 centimeters by 10, because that's my next bit. And that's going to give me 3,000 millimeters. Okay, so that's what I've done with that one there. Next one is this. So I'm going to go 40. So what I'm doing is I'm going from centimeters and I'm going that way. So I'm going to be dividing by numbers. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to go 47,000 centimeters divide by, my first one I'm going to do divide by 100. Divide by 100. That's going to give me 470 meters. And then my next one is divide by 1,000. So then I'm going to go 470 divide by 1,000, and that's going to equal 0.47 kilometers. So that would be my answer. And this last one is going to be 216,000 millimeters. Now I'm going to go millimeters to kilometers, so I'm going to have to go that one, divide by 10, divide by 100, divide by 1,000. So let's divide by 10 would give me 21,600 centimeters. It's what it's going to be equal to. So if I do 216 divide by 100, that's going to give me, hopefully you noticed my mistake. That should have been 1 less 0 there. I was wondering why my answer wasn't working properly. 216, oops, it'd be 216 meters, because that's what I've just done, that part there. And so where I'm up to is going from meters to kilometers, so divide by 1,000. So 216 meters divided by 1,000 will give me 0.216 kilometers. Okay, so that's how I do those 3 questions there. Now, arrange these measurements from smallest to largest. So let's just break it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go, well, 38 centimeters. I'm going to keep that. So what you need to do with a question like this is convert to 1 unit type. And because I've selected centimeters, centimeters is going to probably be the easiest. Okay, so I don't need to do much with 38. So 540 millimeters. So I'm going 540 millimeters, and I want to go that direction. So 540 millimeters, and in this case I need to divide by 10. Divide by 10 would give me 54 centimeters. So far I've got 2 of them, and if I go for the third one, 0.5 meters. So I want to go meters, I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to multiply by 100. So I'm going to go 0.5 times 100, and that's going to give me 50 centimeters. Okay, so if I had to put an order in, so I'm just going to write next to it, I'm going to write the smallest to largest. It'd be this one, then this one, and then this one. Okay, so those are some examples of how you can convert lengths.